We've been in our home for 16 years, and having a renovation like this has allowed us to use space differently than what we were using before. The kitchen should be the center of the home, in our opinion. We like to cook. We like to cook together. We like our family to eat together and entertain as well. And so I feel like the kitchen really brought that to life more than we had before. We thought we had a lot of space. But turns out once you upgrade to pull-out drawers and things that modernize your kitchen, that we probably were lacking space that we needed, or that it just wasn't being used in the most efficient way. With my husband being from Copenhagen, it was probably more of awareness of who are the more well-known cabinet makers in the world, not just here in the US. I think that a lot of the influence that we bring into our house is we want things to last for a long time. We buy things to be a part of our home, maybe forever. So the kitchen was no different. And when he was doing his research, he was really looking at makers and manufacturers that he thought had good reputations internationally, because that's important to him. And so we did look at many stores around Dallas and showrooms, and kind of stumbled upon Eggersmann. And the minute we entered the showroom, I think we both knew that's what we were looking for. I don't know another company I would go to besides Eggersmann. I think that they've just done fantastic with this project. I didn't work with a lot of other people other than Keegan, our designer, but I can tell you that when there were potential issues or pitfalls or concerns, if he couldn't answer, he would escalate right away. When you spend your money on a project like this, you want to know that customer service is great, the quality is there, the product will last a long time, and that if there were any concerns in the future, those would be addressed as well. There is not another company I know for kitchen renovations that I could recommend, and this is the one that we chose, and I would highly recommend it to anyone else. I think that we definitely feel we got what we asked for, which was beauty and functionality combined.